Hello, welcome to World Hop with Teej, connecting you with travel, culture, and adventure. I'm Teej Jenkins. The English Garden, or Englischer Garten, is located in the center of Munich. The large urban oasis is larger than New York's Central Park and London's Hyde Park. There are many surprises inside of the English Garden, like this large Chinese pagoda, the Chinesischer Turm. It is the focal point of this beer garden, which is the second largest beer garden in Munich. Keep strolling and you'll find this beautiful rotunda. It was completed in 1836 and is built on top of a man-made hill, making it the highest point in the park. And you don't want to miss this tranquil place. It's where you'll find the Japanese tea house, or Munich'S teahouse. It was a gift from Japan as a symbol of peace. It hosts tea demonstrations at select times during the year. And now for something less tranquil and even more of a surprise. Check this out. This is the icebox. It's an artificial wave that attracts tourists and surfers from around the world. But be warned, it is not intended for amateurs. Thank you, and please share, like, and follow World Hop with Teej on Facebook and YouTube.